Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zul Hakimi bin Muhammad Anwar. My matric number is S62910. So, for the purpose of designing and developing a bottle sorting machine using Arduino is to automate the process of sorting and categorizing bottles based on specific criteria. By utilizing Arduino, you can create a system that can identify different types of bottles, such as plastic or glass, and sort them accordingly. The machine can increase efficiency, reduce human error, and streamline the sorting process in industry like recycling or beverage production. Arduino's flexibility and ease of use make it a popular choice for creating such automated system. Overall, the objective is to create a bottle sorting machine using Arduino that optimizes efficiency, accuracy, and flexibility while reducing cost and manual effort in the sorting process.
There are a few lists of physical variables. Number 1, size and shape of bottle to be sorted. Number 2, material of the bottle, for example glass, plastic and also metal. Number 3, weight of the bottles. Number 4, conveyor belt speed and design. Number 5, sensor type and placement, for example optical sensor and also ultrasonic sensor. Number 6, sorting mechanism, for example pneumatic actuator and also servo motor. Number 7, power supply requirements and voltage level. Number 8, operating temperature range and environmental condition. Number 9, physical dimension of the sorting machine. Number 10, mounting options and placement of the sorting machine. Number 11, noise level and vibration. And number 12 is safety feature and emergency stop buttons. Number 12, safety feature and emergency stop buttons. Next, maintenance requirement and easy to access of two component. 14, cost of materials and construction. 15, availability of component and compatibility with Arduino. 16, sorting mechanism accuracy and precision. 17, throughput rate or the number of bottles that can be sorted in given amount of time. 18, user interface of programming requirements. 19, integration with other systems such as data recording and machine communication. And the last one is regulation compliance such as safety standard, environmental regulations.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azri bin Muhammad and my matric number is 61928. Today I want to talk about identify measurement system element. First, IR sensor. The sensor component pick up heat radiation that varies in place in time as a result of human movement. And number 2, color sensor. The color sensor is used to measure light intensity or color. The color sensor is perfect for line following since it can distinguish between color or gauge the intensity of reflected line. For number 3, power supply. Power supply using an input power transformer. A power supply step down the voltage to the voltage needed to load, converting the AC from the wheel outlet to ungulated DC. For number 4, DC motor. A sort of electric machine that transforms electric energy into mechanical energy is a direct current. For number 5, conveyor belt. The function of the belt is to control conveying of the product. Number 6, servo motor. Servo motor are used to precisely regulate the position of things, rotate object, move robot hand and leg, as well a sensor and another device. For number 7, LCD display. A flat panel display or another electrical control optical device that make use of polarization and the light modulating capability or liquid crystal is known as a liquid crystal display. For the last element is microcontroller. To control a single device function, A microcontroller is integrated into a system. It accomplishes this by utilizing its core CPU to understand data receiving from its I/O peripherals.
My name is Siti Noshazra binti Kamarul Zailan, number matrix S63199, and today I will be presenting about the block diagram. Okay, the purpose of block diagrams are they are used heavily in engineering and design of diagrams of electronics, hardware, software, and processes. Most commonly, they represent concepts and systems in a higher level, less detailed overview. The diagrams are useful for troubleshooting technical issues. So as we can see on the slides, there are several things that are main in the microcontroller block diagram. So as the main point, you can see the microcontroller, and then there are IR sensor, color sensor, power supply, DC motor, conveyor belt, servo motor, and LCD.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Engku Nalasha binti Azhar. S62809 will talk about bill of material. What we use is Arduino Uno RT to control the sorting machine. HCRSR04 electronic sensor will be used to detect the distance to the bottle. Servo motor, this motor will be used to control the position of the sorting arm. Breadboard to use connect the electronic component. Jumper wire will be used to connect the component on the breadboard. Bottle, this bottle they will be stored. Power supply. This will provide power to the sorting machine. There are many potential applications for the bottle sorting machine using Arduino in the real world. Here for a few examples. In recycling plant, bottle sorting machine can be used to sort bottle by color, material, or size. This helps to ensure that recyclable material are properly stored and recycled. In bottling plant, bottle sorting machine can be used to sort bottle by size and type. In warehouse, bottle sorting machine can be used to sort bottle by destination. This is help to ensure the bottle are delivered to the correct location in the warehouse. There are just a few examples of the many potential applications for a bottle sorting machine using Arduino in the real world. As Arduino technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and efficient applications for the bottle sorting machine in the future. A bottle sorting machine using Arduino can be used in practice in a few different ways. Here are some examples in a recycling plant. The machine can be used to sort bottle by color, material, or size. It will help to ensure the recyclable material are properly sorted and recycled. For example, a bottle sorting machine could be used to sort plastic bottle by color, like clear, green, brown, or etc., so that they can be recycled more easily. Next, it will be bottling plant. The machine could be used to sort bottle by size and type. This will help to ensure the bottles are filled with the correct liquid and that they are properly labeled. For example, a bottle sorting machine could be used to sort glass bottle by size so that they can be filled with the correct amount of liquid. This specific way in which a bottle sorting machine using Arduino is used in practice will vary depending on the specific need of the business or organization that is using it. Next, bottle sorting machine Arduino can provide number of benefit user and the field that are applying. Here are some of the most common benefits. Increase efficiency. Bottle sorting machine can help to increase the efficiency of recycling and bottling plants. That can save time and money. It can also help to reduce the environmental impact of the industry. Improve accuracy. Bottle sorting machine can help to improve the accuracy of recycling and bottling operation. This can help to ensure that recyclable materials are properly sorted and that bottles are filled with the correct liquid. Overall, bottle sorting machines using Arduino have the potential to provide a number of benefits for business and organization. If you are looking for a way to improve the efficiency, accuracy, and cost effectiveness of the recycling or bottling operation, then a bottle sorting machine using Arduino may be a good option for you. That's all. Thank you.